सलमियाम दे ಬಲಾಢ್ಯನಾಗಿಯೂ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ನೀತಿವಂತನಾಗಿಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕಾದುದು ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಭಾರತ ಸೇವಾದಳ.
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. Our great freedom fighters devoted their whole life for our independence, for our country. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. And I love my country very much. I'm proud to be an Indian. Thank you.